One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my
Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today is a very chilled morning. It's on Friday and been dying to do a video facing this window, this wide window. If you have not watched the empty house tour, go back and watch so that you understand what I mean. But you can see the way, like, I'm not even using any kind of light, but the lighting is to die for. I have a toddler, guys, so it's just asking for attention. So yeah, finally this is the video. It's not a sit-down video. This place would be really nice with a sit-down video, honestly, because the lighting is magnificent, but we are not here for that. I finally installed artificial locks. They look dry, but I'll do what? I'll spray them so that they're a bit healthy. But I think there are how many days now? I installed them. So today is Friday and I installed them last Friday, I guess. So they're a week old, and let me tell you these things, if you're planning to put them, they're gonna be painful for the first 2 days, but after that it's worth it. I'm happy that I'm not going to be thinking about salon now. I'm just gonna be retouching, you know. I was so done with salons because I was so done. So let me just maintain these ones for a while. I have them installed at Infinite Hair Care. Is that how they're called? It's an Instagram page. They're in RNG Plaza, but they're in RNG Plaza and the Mika House, opposite Bazaar. But I got mine installed at the Mika Plaza, the new building. So if you're interested, check them out. Ask for, let me just say, because he did an amazing job, I'll just plug him. Ask for Njoro. He will do an amazing job and you will love it. Okay, so and if you do, please come and give me your feedback, and I'll be happy. Anyway, so today what I want to do is I want to do laundry, and I just thought that let me do the laundry along with you because you're gonna use a washing machine. Oh god, of course it's not mine. Honestly, I'm at my sister's house, and you know, gosh, let me tell you guys, having a washing machine is not even a luxury. You guys, you need it. We all need it, to be honest, because since I started interacting with that machine, my goodness, I'm even stressed going back home to continue and washing clothes. I'm stressed, and now I'm really trusting God for one soon, because it's been so easy, as in, I don't know, I don't think I want to hand wash for long again. So I'm just trusting God for a washing machine, because that gadget or that machine, it's here to save our lives. Honestly, I have interacted with it for a while, and I think, I'm not sure I want to call it a review, but I just want to tell you how it works, and yeah, the efficiency and all that jazz. Right now I've been doing a lot of I have been doing a lot of research because honestly I need one. And I'm praying for one. Yeah, so I've been doing a lot of research, and I'll tell you all that as we go on. And I want to take you guys to the laundry area. We're gonna do few loads, and let's go. So guys, at the balcony where the machine is placed, so I want to start washing, but I'm just figuring how to put you up, guys, because I've surrendered my tripod so that you can wash in peace. Why having a kid? So I want to show you what's happening on my background, and I show you the machine and all that. So these are my son's laundry that I'm going to do. I'm placing this here on top because he's washing and this cold. You're not touching water. So these are ours, just bedding and ours. So this is just the cover to the machine, and the machine is Mika. It's a Mika top load washing machine. It's 8 kg. In this, how do you call this name? I'm looking for this name, but I can't. But it's a MWATL3508DS. So this is the machine, and you're placing it outside. As you can see, it's a top load machine, and this is the drum. Oh my god, it smells amazing inside here. So these are the functions that it comes with. I hope you can really see clearly. So we have this is just how you can fill the washing powder. You put your washing powder inside here, and you can put your softener or your jig inside here. So but we rarely use this one. I don't know why. We just put the powder inside here, and I think, I don't know, it works. So here are the where all the functions are. So we have water level, we have delay function, then we have the function itself, then we have rinse, we have program, and we have temperature. Now I have never used delay and have never used this temperature one, but I've used these ones, the function, rinse, program, and the water level. So we have water level 1 to 8, and then here we have soak, wash, rinse, spin. So you can do all these 3 times, 2 times, or 1 time, or a water cycle. I think that is supposed to be for cleaning the drum alone. Then you have normal to jeans, mix, soft, strong, or heavy. Then we have the quick 15 eye clean. So then for the water we have hot, warm, or cold, but we normally just use cold. I've never used this temperature setting. Then we have the start or pause button. Then we have the on and off for opening or closing. Then it has a 2-year warranty and the barcodes and all that jazz that it comes with. And that is the machine. Let me show you from this angle. Okay, this balcony is really tiny, so you can't really tell. Yeah, but that is how it looks closed. It looks like that. This is where it was designated for. We have a socket and we have it stuck over here, and so I just want to show you how we do it. Oops. So this is where we connect, and then it comes from here behind. I've just realized that I've not showed you guys the behind. So this is how the behind looks like. So you have it cold, and when you want to use hot water, you have to change this to here. And then this is the draining pipe. I'm gonna show you where we are gonna put it, and this is where you put your this this long wire that goes to the socket. I'm not an electrician, please. You put it here once you're done with your laundry, but that is how it looks in the behind. So, and this draining pipe, we put it here like this, like that, because we have a drainage here, so it easily just goes there. So I wanna push it a little bit. Guys, that was a task. I had to go for a longer tripod because I couldn't continue like that. But whoa, how do I look? I think I look different. But anyway, so this is the machine. So I want to start loading stuff in here. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you closer. So I almost forgot to tell you guys one thing about loading this machine. Before you load it, if you have zips, you have you know, buttons for your t-shirts, or have those tic-tac stuff for your child, you have to lock them up, because if you don't, they're gonna get ruined. And if you can't wash them upside down, okay, because it's gonna ruin. Most people say that these top loaders, they use a lot of, they are very vigorous, let me say that. So I don't know, but I think it's also the same for other machines. I don't know its RPM, but by RPM I mean the rotations per minute. I don't know it, but yeah, that's tip number one. Tip number two, if you want to wash socks and you want to wash very soiled stuff, you have to pre-wash them first, or soak before you do that, otherwise they will not come clean. Yeah, so let's load it. So guys, this is an example of a onesie that got ruined. As you can see, it only has remained with one, and now it's just good to just close it up before you put it. Now also for my baby's clothes, I usually don't like segregate them like white, black, color. No, I just wash them once.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart and I won't dare.
The socks, I usually love to hand wash them, but I'm too lazy to do that. Plus this week there's been a lot of cold, so they're not too much soiled. But I don't know, but I don't see if I forgot to like soak them, but let it just wash. I'll show you how it washes the socks.
This wouldn't have ended with broken hearts, 'cause I don't wanna waste my time.
This is what we use. We use this Toss white machine wash detergent powder. Now I've used it for a couple of times with this machine, but I don't know why I wouldn't recommend a hand washing powder, although they're the most affordable ones. But I usually feel like it leaves lint on clothes. I don't know why. Even after doing 3 rinses, clothes still come out with the lint, and I don't know why. So if you have a washing machine and it does that when you have a washing powder, let me know what you do different, because, or rather, do your clothes also come off with lint? I don't know. Please educate us down below the comment section. So what we do on a normal day, honestly, we would just do this on clothes, but let me be cute enough to show you guys how you can load it on the top. You can see it, this compartment that I showed you. So we are not using any jig or any softener, so we're just gonna use powder. And so let me show you guys. This is where I've added it. There's some jig that I used and it's not over, but I don't know why it's never ending. So this is where I've put the powder, and now I'm going to close. That should be enough. And then we close our drum. So remember to put this tap open so that water can go. Then you turn on your power. After turning on your power, you wanna put on. So once you press on, you will have these dots, and then you go to program. So you have to wash, rinse, spin 2 times for normal. Then we have, but also this one, you know, it's also blinking. Then we have this for wash, rinse and spin 2 times for mix laundry. Then we have 7 minutes for soak, wash, rinse, spin 2 times for strong. Then we have the quick wash, which goes for 15 minutes, the wash, rinse and spin 1 time. So normally I love to use these 57 minutes, the wash, rinse and spin 2 times. I love using, but not for normal, for mix, because it's a mixture of clothes, which goes for 15 minutes. Sometimes you can also use rinse option that will wash, rinse and spin 2 times for the mix, which will go for 62 minutes. There's 29 minutes, which will wash, rinse. This is the water cycle for 1 time. There is no spinning here. 42 minutes for wash, rinse 2 times. There is no spinning, it's a water cycle. 54 minutes as well, wash, rinse 3 times, no spinning. And then we have 25 minutes for wash and spin alone for a mix as well. So again, 37 minutes again for wash, rinse and spin 1 time for mix. Okay, so and then we have this that I love to use a lot, but for today let us wash, rinse and spin 3 times, because these clothes, they are very soiled and they've been there for quite a long time. So this is the program that we will use. Or rather, can we pre-soak them? I think we can pre-soak them, but this will take a whole time, man. I think I want to soak the clothes. So we can wash, soak, wash, rinse, spin 2 times. Okay, let's use this one. This one is more reasonable. It'll take 1 hour and 7 minutes. So this is the function that we are going to use, and then we can press start. So it's just measuring the weight of the clothes, because they are quite a lot, as you can see. Then ta-da! Water has started. As you can see, it's bringing along the detergent that you put there. So, and we wait for the cycle to end. Guys, right now it's soaking. As you can see, there is just water and there isn't any movement of the clothes. It is also advised that as you wash on these top loaders, you avoid to open this lid, because just to preserve the machine, you know it might spoil. So as you can see, the minutes has also gone down. We are at 69 minutes, and so I'll be back when we start. Oh, started washing. Also, the machine doesn't have a lot of noise, as you can hear. This is not too much loudness, but it's also not quiet. So yeah, I'll catch you guys up again. Guys, we are spinning. We are spinning, guys, and you can feel there is not much noise, by the way, and that is where it's draining from. Pressing the speed. And our laundry is done. Woo! This is how it looks. After spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning, guys. So guys, 77 minutes later, our laundry is done, and now I just want to offload them from the machine to here so that I can hang them up here. So far so good. By the time I'll be finishing washing, it will be so late because it's around 4 right now, headed to 5, and I'll not be able to finish the video. Done offloading. It's a whole basket. The only thing I would recommend, you see, the socks are also not so bad, and mind you, they were really soiled. You see, they were really soiled, but they are not so bad. But I would highly recommend that you soak them first with your common hand washing powder before you put them in the machine, and clean them a bit before you put them in the machine. That way you'll get best results. Otherwise they are not so bad. Yeah, and this load that I had, you can see the drum when it's complete, it's completely dry. That is the only thing I would recommend you to do, hand wash. If you have anything soiled, I recommend you soak them first with your hand wash, and if you can, pre-soak them again in the machine so that you can wash. But so far it really gives good results. So I want to load the other clothes that I have, those ones. I don't know if you can see them. So I want to load them, and I don't think at this point I'll show you again. I hope everything that I wanted to show you guys is home. Yeah, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll be able to answer for you. So that's that. Let me load these other ones, so as they are washing I can hang the other clothes. So yeah, so this is our laundry. I've put colors, jeans, I've mixed everything inside here, but nothing removes color. So we're gonna start on our settings. So you're gonna put your machine on, and then you're going to set. So our clothes are not so dirty. I feel like I should use the wash, rinse, spin 2 times. But let me see if we have another one. Okay, should I use a strong? No. Let me use this 50-minute one, the wash, rinse, spin 2 times. Cold water. Next time we'll try a hot spin, then we'll see. So after setting, you just start, and voila, You can see the water coming out. So I'll see you guys in the next 50 minutes. So guys, I think up to there, let me end this vlog from here. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave your comments, suggestions. Just comment anything down below and let me know. If you have a question, also ask down below and I will really appreciate it.